This is not a car that encourages you to listen to the radio. You just can't get enough of the song that emerges from the tailpipes. That sound is a real thing, live and addictive. The driver becomes a composer in every bend, on every straight. Hartge H50, an M5 in the guise of an M3. Under the bonnet is the 400 horsepower V8, packaged in a slightly modified M3 body. In this car, you don't mind the detours. Arriving at your destination is an anticlimax. This sports coupe is a pure adrenaline pump. The driver wallows in the opiates produced by his own body. 400 horsepower, 500 newton meters of torque, 6-speed box with a short lever sports clutch. The H50 has everything that makes a thoroughbred. It's a constant temptation to put your foot down. The speedometer goes up to 200 miles per hour and the needle doesn't stop far short of the end. To tame that power, Hartge enlarged the brakes still further. 15-inch discs, floating of course behind 19-inch front wheels. The braking is abnormally good as a result. Last but not least, this Super 3 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds.